Uh, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter integrals. So in any steps, any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comment section. We shall clarify them in the subsequent videos. And in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please write that in the comment section. Then we shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here in the first question, it is told to find out the integral of x cube sine tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 into dx. So here, suppose if we take tan inverse x power 4 as t, then we will get then dt by dx will be equal to, this will be 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square into d by dx of x power 4, which is 4x cube. So therefore we can say that 4x cube dx by 1 plus x power 8, that is equal to dt. So it means that x cube dx by 1 plus x power 8, I can write it as dt by 4. So therefore this integral I, therefore the given integral I can be written as integral sine t dt by 4. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 integral sine t dt, which is equal to minus cos t by 4 plus c. So the answer will be minus cos of tan inverse of x power 4 by 4 plus c. So it means that option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find out the integral x square dx by square root of, this we can write it as we can write it as x cube whole square plus a cube whole square. Now this integral I, now if we put x cube as t, then we will get 3x square dx, that is equal to dt. So it means that x square dx is dt by 3. Therefore this integral can be written as dt by 3, 1 by 3 I can take outside, divided by square root of t square plus a cube whole square. So we know that integral dx by square root of x square plus a square, that can be written as as log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So here also this can be written as 1 by 3 log mod t plus square root of t square plus a power 6 plus c. So this will be 1 by 3 log mod t is x cube, plus this will be square root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Okay, so it means that option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the value of integral x e power x dx by 1 plus x whole square. Now this can be written as, its integral can be written as integral e power x into this can be written as x plus 1 minus 1 dx by 1 plus x whole square. So this can be also written as integral e power x into 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now we know that there is a rule that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this rule we can apply, since if I take f of x as, if we take f of x as 1 by 1 plus x, then f dash x will be obviously, f dash x will be equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So this can be written as e power x by 1 plus x plus c. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is asked to find the value of integral I, which is the integral e power x into this 1 plus sine x. We can write it as 1 plus 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So this can be written as integral e power x into, this is 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus this will be tan x by 2 into dx. Now suppose if we take f of x as tan x by 2, then f dash x will be equal to 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. So this will, so we know that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, that will be equal to e power x into f of x, which will be equal to e power x into tan x by 2 e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if in is the integral from 0 to pi by 4 tan power n x dx, then I10 plus I8 is how much? So I10 plus I8. So here we can also write in plus 2 plus in. So that will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power n plus 2 x plus tan power n x into dx. So this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx I can take as common, and this is 1 plus tan square x dx. So 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So this is 0 to pi by 4. This is tan power nx into secant square x dx. Now suppose here if we take tan x as t, then secant square x dx will be equal to dt, and x is going from 0 to pi by 4. So t will go from tan 0 to tan pi by 4, means from 0 to 1. So this can be also written as integral 0 to 1 t power n dt. So this will be t power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and it will go from 0 to 1. So this will be 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n plus 1. So here also, here actually, here n is how much? Here n, if I take n as 8, then n plus 2 will be 10, and therefore the answer, so therefore I10 plus I8, that will be equal to 1 by 8 plus 1, which is 1 by 9. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told, find the value of this expression. So now let us take it as the integral I, which is 0 to 4042 root over x dx divided by root x plus root over 4042 minus x. Now we can also write this integral as integral root over 4042 minus x dx divided by root over 4042 minus x minus root over plus root over 4042 minus of 4042 minus x from 0 to 4042. Since why? Since we know that integral f of x dx from 0 to a, that can be written as integral f of a minus x dx from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So therefore the integral I, so this is also I, this is also I, so if we add them, so then we will get 2i. 2i will be equal to root over from 0 integral 0 to 4042 root over x plus root over 4042 minus x into dx divided by, this is root over 4042 minus x, and this is also x, means root x. So this will be also plus root x. So these two, the numerator and the denominator is same, so they will cancel out. So that is simply 0 to 4042 integral dx. So this is 4042. So therefore the integral is 4042 divided by 2, which is 2021. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told if bracket x is the greatest integer function not greater than x. Not greater than x. So it is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then we have to find integral 0 to 8 bracket x dx. So the value of bracket x from 0 to 1, from 0 to less than 1, that will be 0 only. And plus from 1 to less than 2, it will be 1. So it will be 1 into dx. Plus from 2 to 3, that will be 2 dx. And from 3 to 4, that will be 3 dx. And from 4 to less than 5, that will be 4 dx. And from 5 to 6, it will be again 5 dx, plus then 6 to 7 will be again 6 dx. Then plus then from 7 to 8, it will be 7 dx. Okay, so this will be 0, plus this will be integral dx, so this will be 2 minus 1, plus 2 into integral dx, that will be x, which is 3 minus 2, plus this will be 3 into 4 minus 3, plus this will be 4 into 5 minus 4, plus this will be 5 into 6 minus 5, plus this will be 6 into 7 minus 6, plus this will be 7 into 8 minus 7. So this will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 1 to 7 we have to add. So which is n into n plus 1 by 2. 7 into 7 plus 1 by 2, which is 7 into 8 by 2, which is 7 4s are 28. So option A is the correct answer. Then here you have to find integral 0 to pi by 2 root over sine x sine theta into cos cube theta d theta. So here what we can do, we can write this as this integral I, we can write it as integral 0 to pi by 2 root over sine theta into cos square theta into cos theta d theta. So now if we take cos sine theta as t, if we take sine theta as t, then cos theta d theta, that will be equal to dt. So here theta is going from 0 to pi by 2. T is going from 0 to, so means sine 0 to sine pi by 2, which is 1, 0 to 1. So this will be equal to 0 to 1 root over t, and cos square theta I can write as 1 minus sine square theta, so 1 minus t square into dt. So this will be integral 0 to 1 root over t plus, sorry, this t power half minus t power 5 by 2 dt. So this will be t power half plus 1 by half plus 1, and then it will be integrated from 0 to 1, minus this will be t power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1, and that will be integrated from 0 to 1. So this will be equal to 1 by 3 by 2 minus this will be 1 by 7 by 2. This will be equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 7. So this will be equal to 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. So this will be equal to 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. So 3 7 is 21. Then 7 minus 3. So this will be equal to 2 4 is 8, 8 by 21. So option B is the correct answer. Then here we have to find the integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So this will be equal to, now cos 2x I can say it as 2 cos square x minus 1. Then minus this I can write 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by, this is cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So this will be integral, this I can write 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So this will be 2 into cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So this will be cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha. So these two will cancel out. So this will come 2 into integral cos x plus cos alpha into dx. So now alpha is a constant. So this will be 2 into integral cos x dx plus 2 into integral cos alpha dx. So cos alpha is constant, it will come outside of the integration. So this will be integral cos x is sin x. So this is 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. So this will be 2 into sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral 0 to 1 x e power x by 2 plus x whole cube. So now similarly this integral can be written as integral 0 to 1, this I can write x plus 2 minus 2 by 2 plus x whole cube into e power x dx, where dx is there. So this I can write integral 0 to 1 e power x into 1 by x plus 2 whole square it will come, then minus 2 by 2 plus x whole cube it will come into dx. So as we know, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this will be also integral 0 to 1. Okay. So the value of this integration, the value of this integral will be e power x into 1 by x plus 2 whole square, and that will go from 0 to 1. So this will be e power 1 by 1 plus 2 whole square minus e power 0 by 0 plus 2 whole square. So this will be equal to e by 3 square, which is 9, minus 1 by 4. So e by 9 minus 1 by 4. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the so it is told that if integral dx by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, that is equal to a log mod 1 plus x square plus b tan inverse x plus 1 by 5 log mod x plus 2 plus c, then we have to find the values of a and b. Okay. So now therefore this can be converted into partial fractions, 1 by x plus 2 by x square plus 1, that can be written as a by x plus 2 plus bx plus c or bx plus d by x square plus 1. So therefore this will be a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus d into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. So this will be equal to x square I can take as common, x square into a plus b plus this will be a plus 2d, and this will be bx. Okay, so then this will be 2b plus d into x, 2b plus d into x plus a plus 2d divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. So therefore if we compare, then this is 1, so therefore it means that a plus b, that should be equal to 0, and 2b plus d that should be equal to 0, since there is no coefficient of x here, and a plus 2d that should be equal to 1. Okay, so therefore b should be equal to minus a, and d should be equal to minus 2b, and b is equal to minus a. So therefore d is equal to minus of 2 into minus a, which is equal to 2a. D is equal to 2a. So therefore a plus 2 into 2a means 4a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 5, and b is equal to minus 1 by 5, and d is equal to 2 by 5. D is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore this integral dx by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, that can be written as a, which is 1 by 5 into integral dx by x plus 2 plus b, which is minus 1 by 5. So I can write minus 1 by 5 integral dx by x square plus integral x dx by x square plus 1 plus this is integral d is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 integral dx by x square plus 1. This can be written. So this will be 1 by 5 log mod x plus 2 and this I can write minus 1 by 10 into 2x dx. So if I take x square plus 1 as t, this will be 2x dx will be dt. So this is log, so this will be integral dt by t, which is log mod t, which is log mod x square plus 1 plus this is 2 by 5 tan inverse of x. So from here, if we compare these two, then we'll get b is equal to 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 tan inverse x, and log mod 1 plus x square. So this is minus 1 by 10. So a is minus 1 by 10. And this is 1 by 5. Okay. So a is minus 1 by 10 and b is 2 by 5. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Then here it is told to evaluate integral 2 to 3 x squared dx as the limit of a sum. So we know that integral, the limit of a sum rule is that integral a to b f of x dx, that can be written as limit h tends to 0, summation r goes from 0 to n minus 1 f of a plus rh, f of a plus rh into h, into h, where h is what? H is equal to b minus a by n, and here n tends to infinity, and limit n tends to infinity, so h tends to 0. So therefore here also, here f of x is x square, and here h is equal to b minus a, so 3 minus 2 by n, and here so h is equal to 1 by n, and b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 2, obviously. So therefore integral 2 to 3 x squared dx, that can be written as limit h tends to 0, summation r goes from 0 to n minus 1 h into f of, so 2 plus rh, this is x will be 2 plus rh, since x is equal to a plus rh always, and it is x whole square, so this is 2 plus rh whole square. Okay, so this will be equal to limit h tends to infinity, h tends to 0, sorry, h is equal to 1 by n also, h equal to 0, so this will be equal to h into I can write this is 2 square plus 2 plus h whole square, since r will go from 0 to n minus 1, so 2 plus h whole square plus 2 plus 2h whole square, and plus dot dot, it will be 2 plus n minus 1 into h whole square. Okay, so how to add it? This will be limit h tends to 0, this is h into, here 2 square will be added, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it will be, so it will be nothing but I can write this is like this, which is limit summation r goes from 0 to n minus 1 h into, so 2 square plus r square h square plus 2ab, so 4rh. This we have to do. So this will be equal to limit h tends to 0, summation 4h, so 2 square is 4, so 4h from r goes from 0 to n minus 1 and plus it is limit h tends to 0, summation r goes from 0 to n minus 1, then r square h square plus limit h tends to 0, this is 4rh, and summation r goes from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so here h is constant, so It will be limit h tends to 0. Yeah, so limit h tends to 0. So this summation, we have to add 4h n times. Means 4h plus 4h plus 4h like this plus 4h n times. N times we have to add. Then plus here, this is limit h tends to 0. This is h square into summation r square. Means we have to do 1 square plus 2 square plus till n minus 1 whole square. This we have to do. Then plus we have to do limit h tends to 0. H is coming outside. Then 4h is coming outside. And then summation r means from 1 to n minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1. This we have to add. So this will be equal to 4h n times means 4nh. 4nh plus this is limit h tends to 0 and 4nh plus this is h square into sum of the squares, which is uh, n into n plus 1 n into n plus 1, which is n into 2n plus 1, so 2n minus 1 by 6. Then plus it is 4h into sum till n, which is n into n plus 1 by 2, so n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this will be, so now from here we can see that h is equal to 1 by n, h is equal to 1 by n, so nh is equal to 1, nh is equal to 1 here. So here we can take nh as 1, so it is 4 into 1 plus here also is h square. Okay, this is okay, so so this will be h cube actually, r square into h cube, sorry, this will be h cube and this will be h square, 4r h square. Okay, h into h, no, that's why. So this will be h square, this will be h cube, so this is 4 into 1. And here also I can see this can be written as nh into nh minus h into 2nh minus h by 6. Limited h tends to 0 and nh is 1. Plus this also can be written as 4 into nh minus h by 2. Limit h tends to 0. So this is 0 and this is 4 plus nh is 1. So 1 into 1 minus 0 into 2 minus 0 by 6. Plus it is 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 1 into 1 minus 0. So this is 4 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 plus 2. So which is equal to 6 3 is 18. So 18 plus 1 by 3, which is 19 by 3. 19 by 3. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of these questions on the integral. Still any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section. And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions based on the previous year KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.